Today I took a red trade. Yeah, it sucks a lot. But here's the thing. If you don't learn to be a good loser, you blow up your accounts faster than you think. If I let my emotions take over today, I could have lost 3, 4, 10 times more. Being a good loser keeps me in the game long term. This is what happened. The previous day, ES made a very strong push to the upside, closing with a very strong bullish engulfing candle, which means the candle is bigger than the one before. And if you guys have watched my video where I explain how to read candlestick, you should know what this means. So coming in today, my whole idea was to see how ES was gonna react to previous day's high, which is this resistance here. My plan was to wait and see how ES was gonna react to that level, which is this level here. Today, early morning, when the market opened, it had a very strong bullish move towards that level. And then it broke out here on this candlestick. So my whole plan was the next candle pulls back and show me that that candle, that level is gonna act as support. That's my entry, because for me it means that this level now it was gonna act as support, and most likely we're gonna have a continuation to the upside, which it definitely happened later in the day. But I wasn't able to catch that entire move because sadly, this candle here, the red one here, this one, stopped me out of my trade. If you had a red trade recently, don't be shy. Leave a comment down below. So yeah, losing sucks, but it's part of trading, always. I could have taken another trade maybe here, but I didn't feel too comfortable chasing this move. And I said it on the live stream that most likely I'm gonna look for another trade later in the afternoon after the market comes down a little bit and gives me a good pullback at a strong support that I can feel more comfortable playing the upside continuation. And that's exactly what I did. I did take another trade with NQ this time. Now, this is where we fail. We get angry, frustrated, and that's when we start blowing up accounts. So, being a good loser means one, accept the loss, don't chase it. Review the trade, figure out what went wrong, and three, move on. Don't revenge trade or over complicate the next setup. After my first red trade today, I took another trade and it ended up green. And this is my second trade on NQ. I was able to make a little bit under 800 bucks, still ending the day red, but it was a good trade. It was a simple break and retest from overnight highs on NQ. I came back in the afternoon and I saw how NQ pulled back to this level, which was overnight highs, and entered around here. My stop loss was this long wick of this candlestick, and my plan was to see if NQ could bounces very strong, made a bullish engulfing candle, and then I got out around here because I only wanted to play a quick bounce to the upside. I like this breakout here. All I want to see now is a little pullback so we can play the upside continuation. It can be either on ES or NQ. I'm gonna start buying. If we can hold this little support here, I like it a lot. Can it hold support here? I don't like that move. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. Yeah, I don't like that. Bye. I don't like that. ugly fake out there. Both NQ and ES are under previous day highs.